Hello, this is Eric Aff with Second Harvest with another Backstage Pass. Today we're talking about Keep the Lunch Bell Ringing campaign that is near the end because we're about that time of the year when kids go back to school. Why is this campaign so important? Well, the summer is a tough time for families. It's kind of a quadruple hit. One is those meals that kids get during the school year, breakfast and lunch, are ones that the families have to make up because, of course, the kids aren't in school. In addition, they have to find childcare options. It's not daycare, it's going to be day camps, it's going to be summer activities, all types of things that, again, stretch a family's budget. In addition, we've got the pressure of back to school expenses that they are going to be confronting right now. Buying book bags, it's buying new clothes that fit their kids. Again, another strain on families. And then finally, something that we're all experiencing, which is higher utility costs with AC bills and fuel costs. All those things factored together make this a tough time of the year for families. But this is where you can make a huge difference. Keep the lunch bell ringing. Your donation will be matched up to $600,000 due to the generosity of a number of donors who have gotten together and say, we want to inspire the community to get behind our kids and our families during these tough summer months. So the campaign ends at the end of July, so please join us and make a real difference. Here at Second Harvest, we are committed to making sure that summer is what summer is all about for kids, having fun, enjoying, not wondering where their next meal is coming from. And you can be part of that solution. Look forward to seeing you at the next Backstage Pass. Have a great day.